Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search an image on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on the bottom of your screen, you can see Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. You have to select Search option. Then on the top right corner on the search bar, you can see a small camera-like icon. Tap on it. Then all you have to do is go to bottom left corner and select the image that you want to search. Once you do that, select the image. There you go. Now Pinterest is going to search for that image. Then scroll up and you can see that image on your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you search for image in Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.